know I had to hop in here and show y'all this. Y'all know I had to get on this one, man. Y'all already see what happened right here. Y'all see what occurred, right? Hold on. Let me turn this on. Hold on. I gotta get the music for this because I gotta talk king-ish about this. Alright? First of all, before we even look at the number in the right, look at the left. Hugo's Way Live account. Alright? Hugo's Way Live account. This ain't a funded account. This straight my-ish. Alright? You hear this? Y'all see this? Let's look through the chart, man. Y'all see this, right? Y'all see this? We zoomed all the way out. You see the breakout that happened on GJ? How many pips y'all see? 1,100. 1,100. Look at the corner. We about to hit 1 million. Yeah, they got to bring that back. We about to hit 1 million. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Once again, look at the right-hand corner. And this ain't the Pyrex Vision 5. This is the old one. I ain't even update the system on the chart yet. Y'all see this, right? I just want y'all to know that. So if you got the current Pyrex Vision, this is that system. This ain't 5. When I put 5 on, it'll get crazier. Because all we did was add to it. I just want y'all to see this. So for those who can't get Pyrex Vision, just to let y'all know. Yesterday was Bank Executive. We had 900 pips. Right? Let me turn this down. Today, this is the Bank Specialist strategy. Alright? So we use all of them. We use them all. But today, when you look at Pyrex Vision on the right hand, you say intraday. That's the Bank Specialist strategy. This system got all of the bank series in one. Plus, we added some strategies to it and some other tools that you don't get. The high-low indicator, everything. The scanner, everything. But this ain't even about promoting that. This is just me showing y'all like something I accomplished. Because you know, if you don't appreciate your own accolades, people won't do it for you. People won't care. They won't tell you nothing. I'm bringing this track back, man. We gotta play this again. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, but I had to do this. I had to make this video just to show y'all. This is what be going on in here, and I just be sitting here tweaking off that. Because people be out here acting like they the ish. They know everything. Y'all can know what y'all want to know, but look, it's easy, man. You hear me? And just so y'all know, the counter's moving. Go to your chart right now. If you think this is fake, for those of y'all that ain't real, this ain't a live account. Go to your chart right now and go look at GJ and go look and tell me if that's not real. Alright? Yeah. So I'm sorry. I ain't even gonna make this video too long. I just had to show y'all that this is real, man. I don't even care if they flag it for the music. I just had to play that because I'm so sorry, man. If y'all not fucking with what I'm talking about, I'm so sorry. If y'all didn't have this run-in today and y'all didn't catch this trade, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. If you got Pyrex Vision and you didn't turn it on today, I'm so sorry. So that's it. I just had to show that. I had to. It says today's pip count was 236. So how many positions? Y'all see this big red line? How many positions y'all think got stacked on that? Remember yesterday when I did the Bank Executive video and I told y'all I had like 5-6 trades on GJ yesterday? It was only at 30 pips. Go look at the video. It was 30 pips yesterday. 30 pips. Look at it today. When I entered, we was at 30 pips. I'm telling y'all. They said it don't work. So y'all listen to them if y'all want. Y'all listen to them if y'all want. Alright? That's it. I'ma just let that rock for y'all. I'ma just leave this right here. I just want y'all to see that. Matter of fact. Hold on, man. Hold on. I gotta get my other song, man. Yeah, I gotta get my other song, man. I'm just letting this chart show. I just want y'all to see this, cause y'all don't be listening. I don't know what y'all be doing, but if you're not on Trade Game Official TGO, you're not in that Discord. I don't know what to tell y'all. But this is it. We about to hit 1 million, yo. I'm telling y'all. Yo, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think, man. How y'all did today? CPI, y'all was kind of shook in the Discord. I saw that. BOIII, shout out to you. I saw you in the Discord. You was over there kind of concerned. You said you was gonna get busy. He said I started working out before I took these trades. Well, hopefully you eating. You know what I'm saying? So, shout out to everybody that's active in the chat, man. So if you hitting the like button or you leaving a comment, this is why you came. So I'm gonna show y'all why y'all came. So just look in the left hand corner, man. Hugo's Way Live. Look in the right corner. 800,000. Now look at the pip count on this chart. 1,100. 1,100. I'm putting that in the thumbnail too. 1,100 pips on GJ. You hear me? That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just put that right in the chart, right in the thumbnail. Yeah.
This shit, goddammit, you motherfuckers is making me lose count.
Word.
Gotta start this shit over. I'm licking my fingers. I'm getting.
Telling y'all, man. Hugo's Way Live, man. 1,100 pips, man. Holla at me. Who doing this? Show me who doing this. That's all I want. Just show me who doing that. Cause y'all be playing with me. I heard a dude sit up here and say this don't work. I heard him sit up here and say this don't work, and he charging people $50 for some supply-on-demand trades. I know you would sneak this in me too, nigga. I'm not the kind of dude you want to do that to. That's all I'm gonna tell you. I be peeping everything. Every time y'all talk shit about me, I come back stronger and harder. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Now I'm asking you, the same dude who was talking all that crap in that video about this don't work, that don't work. Show me 1,100 pips on the live chart. Show me that now. There you go. You already said it? Hold on, let me bring that back. Hold on. Let's bring that back. Hold on. Because you was talking hot shit on that video, boy. Yeah. Show me 1,100 pips on a live chart, bro. Do it. Show it to me. Yeah, I don't be liking that. Y'all be talking about this don't work, that don't work, and y'all be up here milking these subscribers, man. And right here in your face, they said this don't work. Look at the MA cross. If I would have took that trade, look at that. And I did take it. If you look at the arrow right here, I'm gonna show y'all something. I took the closing candle on the MA cross right here. Look at that. And then we took these trades right here too. Popped out. Boom, 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 boom. We shot it up. You think it should go different?
Who the fuck asked you to think, nigga?
Yeah. Bring that back one more time.
Where you go wrong?
Let's bring that back one more time. You hear me?
You think it should go different?
Yeah.
See, that's where you go wrong.
Yeah. YouTube is definitely gonna not let me monetize this video, but I don't care. I had to talk shit. I had to. Cause that video had me fired up. Y'all know how I get to when these YouTubers start talking greasy and they start talking about something don't work, and I come up here with 1,100 pips on the live chart. Come on, man. Show me 1,100 pips. Tell these people that say these things don't work to show y'all 1,100 pips on the live chart, man. Go look at your chart and tell me if this ain't a real trade. Yeah. Crazy, man. So I just wanted to show y'all, man, because that dude was talking some spiciness, man. I don't be liking it, man. I don't be liking it. But we gonna end the video here. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how y'all did with y'all trading today, because a lot of y'all was talking about CPI. I know BOIII was in the Discord talking about it. I want to know how you did, man, because you was trading gold. Gold was giving out sales today. NAS, I didn't even look at my NAS, but I'm in it. I just let the robot do it. Y'all don't even be believing me. I turn this thing on, and then if the trades is going negative, I just clip them. Like, you see, I got a couple small negative trades, but look at the right-hand corner, man. We at 800, man. We at 800, close to 900,000. 900,000. So, I don't want to hear it. When they say stuff don't work, just keep listening to them if you want. Keep listening to them if you want. You'll never surpass them. When they be telling you 20 pips is fire, okay, cool. But you just missed 1,100. I got 1,123 pips. 20 pips. Anyway, man. I ain't gonna get too crazy on y'all. But I just want y'all to hear it from me, man. Show me 1,100 pips on the live chart, since you told me this don't work and that don't work. Show me. Anyway, man, y'all already know what it is. It's the Bang series. It's the Pyrex Vision. It's the same old stuff, man. I've been preaching, man. We still got the TGO candles going crazy on another MT4. I ain't even gonna post that. We still got the cloud breakout trading on another MT4. I got my Trader Ways original account going crazy with that. Okay, so it is what it is, man. I ain't gonna get on here and start bragging and trying to get cocky, because you know humbleness is is the key to how I operate. But I just wanted to do this because that video had me feeling like dudes need to shut their mouth, man. If you don't shut your mouth, I'll shut it for you. Like I said, this video is sitting on YouTube. Tell these dudes to come look at this video when they start talking about stuff don't work. Y'all see a MA Cross made 1,100 pips. It don't work. It works sometimes. Jimmy, it doesn't work. That's the most fun. It doesn't work. Alright, cool. Alright, cool, man. It don't work. You know what I mean? But back to what my man said. Yeah. So when they say it don't work, man, just keep that in mind. All right?
All year long. It's back to 50. You already know.
We out, bro.